Welcome, in front of me is Dell Precision 5520, and today I will tell you what to do if your laptop doesn't want to turn on. So normally you would switch on your laptop by pressing the power button, usually just for a second or maybe for 2 or 3 seconds in some cases. The power button is located in the top right corner, right above your keyboard. And if your laptop doesn't want to turn on after that, then make sure that your laptop is connected to the charging cable because it might be discharged. So the charging port is located on the left side of your laptop, right here. And the original charging cable looks like this. As you can see, it's lit up. That means that it's properly connected to the AC adapter and the adapter is properly connected to the socket. If your laptop is discharged, let it rest for about half an hour, like this, and then try to turn it on again. If you're wondering whether you're using an original AC adapter or not, the original one looks like this. And if you take a look right here, you can see that it uses up to 130 watts of power. So if you're not using an original one, just make sure that it's also 130 watts, and also make sure that it's from a reliable distributor, because if it's not, it might as well break your laptop. And if your laptop doesn't want to turn on even after half an hour of charging, then make sure that it hasn't been exposed to extremely hot or cold temperatures, because in such cases you'd have to wait for several hours, sometimes up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or cold the temperature was that your laptop was exposed to. And if it doesn't want to turn on even after hours of waiting and charging, then the only right decision to make is to reach out to either Dell Customer Support service or just any nearest repair service, and let them take care of your laptop, because there might be a problem with the battery or just any components inside your device. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.